The thing I love about travel is that even for a little amount of time, it makes you realize that the world is so big and you're a teeny tiny person in this entire big world. With that in my mind, I started to pack my bags and decided to go for a journey. And this time, it was a beach. The other beaches that you go and start to enjoy yourself, well, it was something different. Whether it is the vibes of the beach or the God has designed it in such a way or lack of people, I don't know, but it was serene. The blueness all around, someone colored it with different shades of blue. Well, it included in every shade, so it looked like a complete thing. Do you wanna see it? You wanna feel it? Well, let's do it together.
So it's almost 12 PM and हमें अभी भी बाइक नहीं मिली है. So it's bad luck today that I was expecting a bike and we couldn't get it. So I'm afraid I won't be able to explore more. So we are trying to reach out the other options. Yes, I should have booked a bike here, पर मैंने सोचा कि मिल ही जाएगी. So why to worry? Now it has put me on worry. But this place is really good and hot. So whenever you go to the beach, just make sure that you get a cap or something. Otherwise, आपका बन जाएगा, सब्जी बन जाएगी आपकी. You will be tanned. तो ये है वर्कला की गलियाँ जो हम एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं कब से. Actually from Trivandrum you can get some bike and you can come here, but I had not explored enough about this place and directly I've come, so it was not even part of our plan. So देखिए सब जगह हरियाली हरियाली है and the coconut trees और लोग जो हॉर्न बजा रहे हैं. सो दिस इज़ द वर्कला बीच. ये मैं देख रहा हूँ क्लिफ से एंड इट इज़ सो ब्यूटीफुल. सो द वाटर इज़ ब्लू. नीचे की साइड थोड़ा हरा हरा दिख रहा है बट इट्स रियली ब्लू. I mean, it is even cleaner than Padubidri beach, and I can see the stones right underneath the water. तो भाई क्लीनलीनेस की बात है तो दिस बीच इज़ वन ऑफ द क्लीनेस्ट बीच आई हैव एवर सीन एंड यू कैन सी इट फ्रॉम द क्लिफ. सो आपको कोई ड्रोन वोन की ज़रूरत नहीं है ऊपर से फ़ोटो खींचने के लिए या फिर वीडियो बनाने के लिए. That is a better thing about it. Or here there are many good restaurants. तो आप वहाँ पे खाना भी खा सकते हैं. You can see so many restaurants with coconut trees. और अभी हमने यहाँ पे खाना खाया थोड़ी देर पहले. Wow. So in the morning I was here, नहाने आए थे, so I couldn't keep the camera with me, but the waves are pretty high. And if you are lucky enough, you will find so many dolphins over here. तो अभी मैंने शायद से 3 या 4 dolphins देखी है. और the back part of the dolphins, right? And there are stairs to go down or go up. ये देखिए. So yeah, some people are taking bath. अभी तो झुलसती हुई गर्मी है but yeah, I'll come again at 4 p.m. because I couldn't get the bike, so I'm planning to chill out over here only. So यहाँ पे बहुत सारी डॉल्फिन्स है. You can see if you come here, and इसके लिए आपको यहाँ पे आना पड़ेगा. But if you want to see the dolphins, you must come here. And this is one of the bluest beach I've ever seen. So there are very few beaches which are this much clean. Like Padubidri beach, there is one beach called Blue Flag Beach. Those are near to each other, so you can see them. और अब हम चले फिर से घर पे. अदरवाइज आई विल गेट प्रीटी टैंड. यार कोई अच्छा सा सनस्क्रीन सजेस्ट कर दो कोई. बिकॉज वेन एवर आई अप्लाई सनस्क्रीन ऑन माई फेस, राइट, आई गेट सो मेनी पिम्पल्स. तो इफ़ यू नो एनी गुड सनस्क्रीन देन जस्ट suggest me in the comment box. वी आर हियर बैक अगेन और थोड़ा थोड़ा सा सनसेट हो रहा है एंड अगेन दी सनलाइट इज़ कम. तो आई डोंट थिंक आपको मेरा चेहरा दिख रहा होगा या नहीं, बट राइट नाउ अगेन वी आर वॉकिंग along with the beach and I see some people seeing me, so must check. They're still planning to come at night again. So you can see the waves जो दूर 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 तक फैली हुई है. दिस इज़ रियली अ गुड एक्सपीरियंस. मैंने इतनी ऊंचाई से बीचेस बहुत ही कम देखे हैं. सो वंस आई वॉज इन गोकर्ण एंड देयर आई वॉच्ड इट. So this is pretty big and I mean from this you can see कि कितनी ऊंचाई पे मैं हूँ अभी. So it's pretty high. और ये रहे हमारे सूरज दादा. So yeah, still it is a little sunny. I thought जब भी मैं बाहर निकला था at that time it was a little less bright. और ये देखिए झील. wow, it's like it is gliding in the sky. और ऐसे बहुत सारे हैं. You can see there are so many of them which are flying. And if you look at the beach closely, if you look at the sea closely, you can see there are so many dolphins. कभी कभी ऐसे ऊपर झांक के अंदर चली जाती है. मुझे लगता है मस्ती करके चली जाती है अंदर. So this camera might not be able to capture it because I'm a budget traveler, so it is not an expensive camera. रास्ता भी बड़ा प्यारा है. So if you do just a casual walk, you'll feel a lot better. And whenever you want, you can just stop and have a look at the sea, have a look at the beach, and again go. अब देखिए, if you are able to see the stones, तो जो नीचे वाले stones है, they are actually polished by constant force of the waves. और कुछ कुछ में holes पड़ गए हैं. So ये सबसे मस्त जगह है. I mean you can see how deep it is. तो फिर ड्रोन वोन की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है आपको.
So this is all about this journey. यार मज़ा तो बहुत आया and there are so many places to visit. तो अभी next destination है हमारा कन्याकुमारी, तो which is in तमिलनाडु, और देखते हैं कि वहाँ क्या होता है. Well, this was an awesome experience over here and I would love to come back. तो see you later और देखता हूँ आपको next video में. Till then, have a good time, stay safe, stay healthy, bye bye.